Imagine this. You're holding the keys to your dream manufactured home, bad credit and all. Sounds impossible? Think again. We're about to reveal insider secrets that'll turn that dream into reality. You're probably thinking, my credit score is in the dumps, no way I'm getting approved. Well, buckle up Buttercup, because we're about to blow your mind with some game-changing strategies. Let's cut to the chase. Bad credit doesn't have to be a deal breaker. In fact, it might just be a minor speed bump on your road to homeownership. Ready to learn how? Let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is bad credit? Generally, we're talking FICO scores below 620. But here's the kicker. Some lenders specialize in bad credit loans. They're the unicorns of the lending world. Now, let's talk about FHA loans. These government-backed beauties are like a warm hug for your credit score. They often accept scores as low as 580, sometimes even lower. It's like finding money in your old jeans, but better. But wait, there's more. If you're a veteran or active duty military, VA loans could be your golden ticket. These loans are often more forgiving when it comes to credit scores. Here's a secret weapon many people overlook: USDA loans. If you're eyeing a manufactured home in a rural area, these loans could be your knight in shining armor. They're often easier to qualify for with bad credit. Now, let's talk strategy. Before you even apply, there are steps you can take to boost your chances. First up, check your credit report. It's like giving your financial health a once-over before the big game. Found an error on your credit report? Dispute it like your financial life depends on it, because it kind of does. Every point counts when you're trying to get approved for a loan. Next up, consider a co-signer. It's like having a financial wingman. Just make sure it's someone you trust and who understands the responsibility. No flaky friends allowed on this mission. Here's a pro tip. Offer a larger down payment. It's like bringing extra snacks to a party. Lenders love it. It shows you're serious and reduces their risk. It could be the difference between a yes and a no. Now, let's talk about your debt-to-income ratio. This is a big deal for lenders. It's like your financial fitness score. Consider a side hustle. Even a small increase in income can make a big difference. Plus, who doesn't like extra cash? It's like finding loose change in your couch, but on steroids. Here's something many people forget. Length of employment matters. Lenders love stability more than a cat loves a cardboard box. If you've been at your job for a while, make sure to highlight this. It could work in your favor. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of manufactured home loans. These aren't your grandma's mortgages. Understanding the differences is key to getting approved. First off, manufactured homes are considered personal property, not real estate. It's like the difference between a car and a house. This means the loans are often treated differently. One option to consider is a chattel loan. These are specifically designed for manufactured homes. They often have higher interest rates, but can be easier to qualify for with bad credit. It's like the fast food of loans, quick and easy. Now, let's talk about interest rates. With bad credit, you're likely looking at higher rates. But don't let that scare you off. There are ways to offset this, like a financial ninja. Consider buying points to lower your interest rate. It's an upfront cost, but could save you thousands over the life of the loan. Here's a trick. Look into adjustable rate mortgages, ARMs. They start with lower rates, which could help you qualify. Just be sure you understand how they work before committing. It's like a roller coaster for your interest rate. Here's a pro tip. Work with a mortgage broker. They have access to multiple lenders and can help you find the best deal. It's like having a personal shopper for loans. Plus, they're experts at navigating the bad credit landscape. Now, let's talk about credit repair. It's not a quick fix, but it can make a huge difference in the long run. Start by paying all your bills on time, every time. Consider a secured credit card. It's a great way to build credit if you're starting from scratch or recovering from past mistakes. Just be sure to use it responsibly. Now, let's address a common myth. You need perfect credit to get a manufactured home loan. This is about as true as unicorns and free lunches. Lenders look at your whole financial picture, not just your credit score. Here's a secret weapon. Letters of explanation. If you have negative items on your credit report, explain them. Maybe you had a medical emergency or lost your job. Lenders are often willing to consider extenuating circumstances. It's like telling your side of the story. Here's something to keep in mind. Different lenders have different requirements. Don't give up if one says no. Keep shopping around. Your perfect lender is out there, like a financial soulmate. Now, let's talk about timing. If you can wait a few months to apply, use that time to boost your credit score. Even a small improvement can make a big difference. Consider working with a credit counselor. They can help you create a plan to improve your credit and increase your chances of approval. Many offer free or low-cost services. It's like having a personal trainer for your credit score. Now, let's address another common concern: down payments. Many people think they need 20% down. For manufactured homes, this often isn't the case. It's time to bust this myth wide open. Some loans, like FHA, allow for down payments as low as 3.5%. VA loans might even offer 0% down options. Don't let a lack of savings stop you from pursuing your dream home. It's like finding a loophole in the home buying game. Here's a pro tip. Look into down payment assistance programs. Many states and local governments offer these, especially for first-time homebuyers. It's like finding free money under a rock. Who doesn't love that? Now, let's talk about the application process. Be prepared to provide a lot of documentation. This includes pay stubs, tax returns, bank statements, and more. The more organized you are, the smoother the process will be. It's like packing for a trip. Be prepared. Here's something to keep in mind. Pre-approval is your friend. It gives you a clear idea of what you can afford and shows sellers you're serious. Plus, it can speed up the buying process. Consider working with a real estate agent who specializes in manufactured homes. They can be a valuable resource, especially when dealing with bad credit situations. These experts know the ins and outs of the manufactured home market. They can point you towards lenders who are more likely to work with bad credit buyers. A specialized agent can also help you navigate the unique aspects of manufactured home purchases. They know about land leases, installation, and local zoning laws. These agents often have relationships with manufacturers and can sometimes get you better deals. They might know about upcoming promotions or have insider information on the best models. They can also help you understand the long-term value of different homes and locations. This is crucial when you're working with bad credit and need to make every dollar count. It's like having a financial crystal ball for your future home. Remember, not all real estate agents are created equal when it comes to manufactured homes. Look for someone with specific experience in this area. Here's a secret. Some lenders offer manual underwriting. This means a real person looks at your application, not just a computer. It can be a game changer for those with unique situations. Now, let's address a common fear: rejection. If you get turned down, don't give up. Ask the lender why, and use that information to improve your application for next time. Remember, persistence is key. You might face some setbacks, but keep pushing forward. Your dream of owning a manufactured home is within reach, even with bad credit. Here's a final piece of advice: stay positive. Your attitude can make a big difference in this process. Approach each step with confidence and determination. It's like wearing your lucky socks to an important meeting. Don't let anyone tell you it's impossible. With the right strategy and a bit of perseverance, you can get that manufactured home loan, bad credit and all. It's time to turn that dream into reality. Now go make it happen.